everyone, May K. Beeler here with Carolina Aircraft at Piedmont Triad International Airport. I have a beautiful 1978 A36 to show you. We're kind of doing that 70s thing. We've got a great paint scheme, some updated avionics, so let's take a look. So let's check out your engine. It's a Teledyne Continental IO 520 285 horsepower engine, 740 on the engine since factory new. And check out this gorgeous prop. 3-blade prop, only 312 on it since prop overhaul. So this 1978 A36 has 74 gallons of usable fuel to take you to your dream and business destinations. The exterior of this Bonanza is Matterhorn white with orange and red stripes. This is the original paint in good condition. 2,550 hours total time on the airframe since new. So we have the nice large double cargo doors we love about the Bonanza. Also a nice healthy useful load, 1257. Beautiful interior. We'll take a closer look in just a minute. But right now let's talk about the seating configuration. It's versatile. Right now it's set up in the club seating configuration. We can change that. Everybody can face forward if we like. Or let's say we need to remove a seat. I love that I don't need any tools to do that. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, pull a pin, we're good to go. I really like the interior. Come on in and take a look. We have beautiful seats here, nice new inserts, beautiful burgundy carpet, beautiful pewter sidewalls. We have a 6-place intercom system and shoulder harnesses for everyone. So let's check out the flight deck. You'll enjoy a Garmin 530 GPS Navcom with WAAS. Your number 2 is a Garmin SL30 digital Navcom. We have an MFD display on board. It's a Garmin MX20 multifunction display. You'll enjoy a Stormscope weather detection system. Our transponder is a Stratus Apareo with ADS-B. Also a Garmin GDL90 ADS-B. Your Autopilot, it's a Century 4 Autopilot with slaved HSI. Other features you will appreciate: dual glide slopes, standby generator system, dual control wheel, co-pilot altimeter, shoulder harnesses, co-pilot mic button on the panel, and so much more. So this 1978 A36, she's looking for a new home. Original paint in really good condition, nice interior, some updated avionics, no major damage history, great maintenance. We've got the logbooks, and you should know Bonanza School. It's included in the price of the aircraft because we want you to be safe and comfortable in your new to you A36. We're Carolina Aircraft. We're here at Piedmont Triad International Airport. Come see us, come take a test drive. We look forward to meeting you. I'm May K. Beeler. Thanks so much for watching.